ChatGPT ads are now live, which is leading many agencies and brands to be wondering one question: how do I access ChatGPT ads? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can access ChatGPT ads through the only two methods that we know of so far. I'm then going to walk through when the ChatGPT ad manager is going to release, what it's going to look like and how you'll be able to access it. And then also walk you through some predictions that I have for ChatGPT ads, which I believe is going to be the biggest marketing opportunity of the next decade. Now, for those of you that have been living under a rock, ChatGPT has started testing ads this week, and the ads effectively show, you can see here, they're essentially a banner result that shows at the bottom of the answer. Now, for now, the ChatGPT ads do not impact the answer. They're a separate ad that appears right at the bottom that people have the ability to click on. There's two main results that we've been seeing so far. First of all, there's almost this buy now, check out in ChatGPT, or head to the website in order to check out. I'll add a link to this directly in the description. And then the other one is more of a chat experience where you can actually chat with the ad itself. And naturally, this is getting a lot of brands and marketers excited because they want to tap into this massive opportunity in the hundreds of millions of free users that are on ChatGPT and are potentially going to be seeing ads anytime soon. As of right now, there's actually only two ways that you can access ChatGPT ads and start running them for yourself. The first way that you can be able to do this, and this is definitely the hardest way, is if you work with some of the massive agencies that currently have access to ChatGPT ads. Omnicom Media, WPP, and Dentsu, these are some of the biggest marketing agencies in the world. And as you can see here, Omnicom Media told Adweek in this article that I'll also add in the description that more than 30 of its clients have secured placements in the OpenAI ads pilot. So if you're a large brand that potentially has the ability to work with these large marketing agencies, then you potentially have the ability to be able to run ChatGPT ads. Now, of course, for many businesses watching this, that's probably impossible because right now the minimum spend that you need to have is at least $200,000, which is a crazy amount in order to be spending on an advertising platform, especially given that you can get started on Meta and Google for as little as $5, $10. However, the second way that you can advertise on ChatGPT is actually heading to this form on the OpenAI website, which is actually a form that you can fill out for people that are looking to advertise on ChatGPT. As you can see here, OpenAI is exploring advertising as a way for businesses to connect with people when they're actively researching and ready to take action in ChatGPT. So if you're interested in advertising on OpenAI as we expand, sign up to stay informed. And as you can see here, they've essentially got a form where you can effectively apply in order to start running ChatGPT ads. What I'll do, I'll add this as probably the first link in the description, so you can head down there and fill out this form on OpenAI's website, so you can potentially be one of the first advertisers to advertise on ChatGPT. Now, I know this is especially frustrating for those of you watching this because ultimately everyone wants to get access. However, from what I've seen, and I've literally been spending the last month full-time researching ChatGPT ads, these are literally the only two ways that you can get access to advertising on the platform right now. Now, if you want to be one of the first to learn about ChatGPT ads, I'll also add another link in the description where you'll actually be able to join my community, Future-Proof, which is the leading ChatGPT ads community, where we have live calls and I share everything that I'm learning about ChatGPT ads. It's where I'm going to be sharing blueprints, tips, tools, best practices, as well as also share the progress of the tool that I'm building that's going to allow you to create winning ChatGPT ads. Now, another thing that you may be thinking is, when is the ChatGPT ads manager going to release? Now, as you can see, OpenAI is effectively running some sort of closed beta where they're selecting advertisers to run ads on the OpenAI platform. Now, I do expect them to reduce the minimum spend that they're required down from $200,000 because this is an extortionate amount, and I really expect them to release the ad manager around Q3, Q4 in 2026, so later this year. So it won't be long before the ad manager is released to the wider public. However, it makes sense that they're testing it now with many larger brands before then releasing it to smaller brands still in a beta mode before then releasing it to the public. Now, in terms of the ad manager itself, I believe there's going to be a few key things that you need to know about. First of all, there's going to be the ability to target specific personas. If you actually go to ChatGPT right now and ask it, what do you know about me? you'll be surprised with all the different things that ChatGPT actually knows about you and therefore all the people that you want to advertise to. And this is what's going to make ChatGPT advertising so powerful, because you're going to be able to really specifically target people that you want to target based upon their interest, what they're looking for right now, and demographics at a much detailed level than you've ever been able to do on platforms like Google and Facebook. On top of that, what I believe you're then going to be able to target are specific prompts or themes. As you'll know, people are going to ChatGPT to solve problems. And as you'll see in this image, people are using ChatGPT for so many different reasons, whether it be searching for specific info, where your product or service could be the solution and an advert would make a lot of sense, whether it be searching for specific purchasable products, asking for help with tutoring or teaching, how-to advice from writing. There's many different ways that people are using ChatGPT, and therefore there's lots of different prompts that people are searching. So how I believe ChatGPT Ads is going to work is you're going to be able to target specific topics or themes so that when someone searches a prompt within that theme, that's when your advert has a chance of showing up. But there you are, everyone. As I've shown you in this video, there's two main ways that you can access ChatGPT right now. I'll add those links in the description. And if you do want to be one of the first to learn when ChatGPT Ads release to the public, also head over to our free community where I'll be sharing all the best practices, blueprints, and everything that you need to know in order to create winning ChatGPT ads and tap into this huge opportunity that us as marketers are facing. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.